If you were breath tested in New Jersey, it was on an Alcotest 7110 Mark IIIC. A lot of people think that there is nothing that can be done to beat a breath test. With the wrong lawyer, that may be true. However, based on my experience and training, these results can be beaten. There are many ways to attack a breath test result. First and foremost, breath testing requires that certain procedures be followed. For example, the police must watch you for 20 minutes immediately prior to your breath test. If the officer left you alone, or you burped, belched, regurgitated, had anything in your mouth, or did some other things during that period, the 20 minutes must start all over again. Failure to do so means your reading cannot be used against you at all. The list of procedures is long. The right lawyer knows those procedures and can challenge them. In addition, the state must prove that the machine was in proper working order. The Alcotest must be calibrated every 6 months. Failure to do so, or do it correctly, will result in your reading being inadmissible. That means it can't be used against you. Like any machine, the Alcotest is prone to malfunction. Even if the machine was in proper working order and the officer followed all the procedures, there could still be issues with your readings. According to the manufacturer, there is a margin of error that could potentially reduce your breath test result. Further, the Alcotest requires 2 good blows, which must be within tolerance of each other. There is also a requirement of a 2-minute lockout between each blow. If any of these issues are in play in your case, the results must be excluded. Finally, there are medical conditions like diabetes, acid reflux, and even certain dental conditions which can affect your breath test and give an elevated result. A good DWI lawyer will know about the mechanical, procedural, and medical issues that could affect your breath test. My name is Stephen Hernandez, and I specialize in DWI defense. I am one of the few lawyers to be recognized as a certified operator of the Alcotest 7110. I'm also one of a handful of lawyers who own an actual Alcotest machine. If you have been charged with a DWI and they took a breath test, then do the right thing and call the Hernandez law firm and see the difference that knowledge, training, and experience can make.